Top of the morning. We back. We in this thing. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. It's 4:14. We're going up on a Tuesday. We have a little lab where we have to name all of the components. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, we have a lab where we gotta name all the components in the AC system, so we just trying to do it. Alright, bet. We're just doing a little quick study.
You're gonna need effect on refrigerant.
For each step. Right. You have to explain that to him.
And then what's number 3? Heat. Heat can only go 2 ways, folks. Well, as far as the system is concerned. If this is a system moving heat, it means it's gonna move it from one place to another. It means heat can either go in and he's gotta go out. That's it. So I need you all to do this thing. If all you get, say, all you do is come up to the component and say that's like 50%. After that, this is the next 25. After that, that's the next 25.
Gotcha.
Something like that. Okay? That's fair. Okay? That's fair. Nobody's gonna fail the class. I mean, I understand that your education is not gonna stop, and then you later on you go, okay, I got it. And I hope that that's at least what we're doing. But I've made the expectations clear. Clarity and consistency are the key. No, they're not gonna do that. They're gonna come and say my AC is not cooling. It's not cold anymore. Help me. All right, it's not working. Okay. So so what we're gonna do is we're gonna diagnose this thing. All right. And we're gonna find there's a failed compressor. And by now we all know what that component is about. Okay, we haven't done our service yet on it. We've got a lab coming up here on Thursday. We're gonna start service Thursday, but we're gonna be doing that. All right, now look, in here, folks, I've got all of these different categories of parts and labor. Okay. Oh, well, look, which category might be useful to us if we're looking at air conditioning components? Looks like HVAC right here. Let's try it out. And if you come down here, cool, I've got a different kind of chapters here, different sections. I think that compressor might be where the compressor is. What do you think about that? Does that make sense? Try it out. All right, try it out. Now, so a couple of things have happened here. Remember, we have both parts and labor on our ticket at all times. And look what the catalog, look what our service writing software has done. It's divided our ticket up into 2 parts and labor. Okay? So what's going to happen is we're going to come down here, we're going to find what we're doing here. We're going to replace the compressor, right? And probably do a belt too. That's going to be later. You guys can work on that. I'll work on that with you. All right, now look. Look at what's happening here. Something confuses us. Look at what we're doing here. Compressor drive pulley and bearing. Or hold on, compressor drive pulley. Here's a question. Let me make this clear to you. The AC compressor. Remember what we had passing around? Yeah. Did that have a pulley on it?
Yes, it did.
Yes. It's got all of those components already. So you don't need a list of components for the compressor. When you replace the compressor, you replace all those things. One of the reasons why we don't really do little piecemeal repairs, we're just going to replace the whole thing. So I'm not going to bother with all these little bits on here. The belt is a little bit separate, but I'm going to go over here to compressor. All right, now, look what has happened here. I've got my labor. First, I have a part. I got a part. I got a part over here, and these are the OE prices, folks. These are the original equipment catalog prices. So what am I going to do with that part? What do you think I'm going to do here? Look at my big blue hand. Can y'all see that?
Add it.
Add the part.
Oh, that's cheap.
But look, I got a part of the ticket, but what are we going to get paid to do it? Don't you all want to get paid to put the part on, take the part off, and put it back on, put the new one on?
Why is mine?
Hold on. So we're gonna add, we still have to add our labor. In this case, it's 1 hour. I'm sorry, it's 1. It says 1. 1 what? Hour. 1 hour. Okay, and I think it's $150 an hour. Absolutely, I've got a labor right here. I've added 1
That's
hour
not enough.
ticket.
That's not enough.
Okay,
I got 180.
I'm gonna help you. All right. And if you notice, now I've got both a part and some labor on my ticket. I'm looking pretty good. I'm gonna go over here to view quote. Look at my big blue hand. Look at the quote. We don't need to fill any of this out. We're gonna go right over here. AC compressor is my part and my labor is 1 hour. Very cool. Now, so that's an example of how to add a part successfully. I don't want to see a part without labor unless it's included in another line of labor, okay? And I don't want to see labor at 0 or something like that, right? Because we got to learn how to do that. I'm going to add a couple of things that I want you all to track down on the board. So I'm going to make this go away, all right? On the exceptions, right? I'm going to make restrictor go away because we're done. We have enough on that sheet. Okay? Restrictor's going away. Now look. When we're doing air conditioning services, one of the reasons why it costs more to do AC than other components is that we got to run a special machine. And do y'all want to get paid for diagnosing this thing? You're going to take some time to diagnose it. Right? I need to see 2 additional lines of labor on your ticket or I will deduct points. For 1, I need to see you with something called I think it's called a performance check. What? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, a performance check. That is, I think it's an hour of labor to check the system, right? You're going to be doing a little bit of a diagnostic on it, and I want us to get paid. I want the shop to take in some money for that. The other line you're going to do to run our special machine that we're going to start bringing in here on Thursday, okay, is we've got to take the refrigerant. What's inside the system? If we're going to open our refrigerant, we're going to open that system up, what's going to happen? What's inside the system is going to come all out all at once. Refrigerant. We don't do that. For 1, it's against the law. For 2, it's not our refrigerant. And number 3, it's really bad service, okay? We're not going to do that. So we're going to use our special machine to remove the refrigerant and subsequently put it back in. That line is called complete charge. Absorb heat from the cabin here. Where do we put the heat? Where does the heat go? What component? What heat? What component does it go into? Holy moly. Guys, think about it just in terms of it's a very simple system. It's a very simple system. It's a door restaurant.
Yo, bring it up. I get there. I'm not opposed.
Come on, beat, you got it. Gas. This is gas. It's not here. This is on gas. Gas. Right? Yo, what is it? Where did you get this from? There you go. This right. What is this for? They confuse you more and he get frustrated like I'll say there. He said, you don't want from where? I said from outside.
What?
This is a real saucy language. Fuck no.
Don't talk to him like that.
800 calories for 30 grams of protein. What you guys doing with your lives?
Don't talk to him
What they doing with their lives? 800 calories and only 30 grams of protein. That's half the calories taken up in a day.
That's a lot of protein.
I love protein. You know you can get like 100 calories. You know
What do you get for it?
you get 4 grams of That's 30, that's 120 grams of protein. 120. Y'all eating 800 calories with 30 grams of protein in your body. Work. Come on. 4 kids.
Wait, we gotta tell him.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I want to do it like that.
Oh my God, she's gone. No balls. No balls. No balls. You won't do it. What the fuck?
That's what y'all gotta call me now. HVAC professional baby.
Every time niggas do that shit to me, they say, "Oh, you mad big though. You mad big though."
I agree. either niggas is playing rough or not. Either or. Uh-oh, Khalifa in the boots. Oh my God.
If Khalifa had sneakers,
He be rocking shit.
Yeah.
Contested. Yo! What the fuck? Uh-oh, again.
Hot hand.
Snags. Oh.
Oh, what a punch.
Nice.
Oh,
Oh.
Fell.
Oh.
He felt so slowly. Holy
Zach.
shit. Nigga felt like he was in the 30s.
You felt like, yo, bro.
Oh, run down.
Yo, I did.
I don't think she consented to that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me see some. Oof. Ah, make those, man. That was a highlight. Damn. Not, ooh. What is this? Yo. Oh my God. Green? No. Alright, let me see some. Floater over his head? Oh shit, thank you.
I definitely got next.
This nigga trying to get his get back.
Yeah, bro. This nigga Paul is annoying. I made a shot. I didn't get.
He's literally a fucking.
First shot I took, I made it. I said,
Boom that!
hey! Yo, if you would have break the dunk, I would have slapped you.
Dead ass. Uh-oh.
Give it to Marquise. I'm weak. Hey!
Hey!
He played ball for real.
Uh-oh.
hand.
Feed him.
I hand.
Ah! Damn. He tried.
Oh, that I don't know.
Get that man. Mike. That was game? That was game?